alaikum. Today's recipe is I'll be making some chicken yassa. So that's my full chicken. I'm gonna cut it into medium-sized pieces, and that's my chicken leg. So I said I'm going to wash them and then I'll season them. I'm starting with salt for my chicken marinade, for my rough teaspoon. I'm gonna put some amount of 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna be putting good amount of garlic. I'm gonna be adding my mustard. I'm gonna be adding my jar seasoning. So this is my own made jar seasoning. So I'll leave the link for this. It's in one of my video there, how I make it. Now I'm gonna be adding my 2 Maggi cubes. So I'm going to be mixing those ones together. So that's my chicken that I wash. It's already been nice and I wash it. I wash it with salt, vinegar and lime to get rid of all the slimy, because you know chicken have a lot of slimy. So you have to wash it very well. So that's my rough that I make earlier on. Just push your rough inside. Just make some hole. Push it in. Let me turn it this way so they can see it. Now my chicken is all marinated, so I'm gonna grill it. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit amount of oil on top of it. If you sprinkle some oil, it will keep your chicken very moist. Your chicken won't be looking dry when it's finished. It will be looking very nice and brown. So now I'm gonna grill it now. I'm gonna be sprinkling some of my olive oil. You just have to sprinkle on the chicken to keep your. So anytime you turn your chicken, just sprinkle some olive oil on it. Just put a good amount of oil to keep your chicken very nice and moist. My chicken is now going in the oven. I chop my onions. What I have here is onion, white onion, red onion, mixed pepper. That's all I have here. And then I have 2 lime. So this is my fresh garlic. I just beat it off camera because I don't want the video to be too long. So that's my garlic paste. I'm gonna squeeze my I'm gonna add in my mustard. French mustard. Some black pepper. My jar seasoning. Because guys, this is very spicy. I'm gonna add a little bit amount of salt, not too much because my chicken already have salt. Some vinegar. You can always double the recipe if you want. I'm gonna be putting some my Maggi. In here I have my lime juice. So what I'm gonna do is, so this is how I always do in my kitchen. Because you still have some mustard, so just shake it and then you see what will come out of it. You have a lot of mustard. So you see that? Look how thick is that. So now I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it and cover it. I am boiling my vegetable half and half because I do not want my yassa to have so many water in it, so I have to boil it separate. So this is how I do my vegetable for my yassa. I'm gonna boil it here half and half. My oil now is hot. That's my steamed vegetable. I already steam it for the yassa as well. So. I do not add any water in my yassa. Remember the lime juice. There's lime juice inside. There's vinegar. So that's why I decided to boil my vegetable half and half, because I'm not going to add any water inside my yassa. You see, the yassa already have a little bit of. Can you see that water inside the yassa? Because I want my onion to be fried half and half. So now at this stage I'm going to add my steamed vegetable. Sorry about the camera, I'm holding it with my hand. So that's my steamed vegetable. I'm not gonna add any water here. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave for 2-3 minutes and then I'll add my chicken. My chicken now is ready. So guys, I put some of my chicken seasoning off camera and some soya sauce. So now I'm gonna put my chicken into my yassa. So sorry, the camera will be a bit shaky because I'm holding it with one of my hand. So that's my chicken. I'm gonna be putting it into my yassa. That's my chicken yassa. See, this is why I did not add any water, because when I was grilling the chicken brings some juice. So that's the juice water that I take from the chicken tray, and then I added it on top of the Yassa. So I use the chicken juice from the chicken. So you see, I'm gonna leave it here just for 5 minutes and then my yassa will be done. That's my chicken yassa. My chicken yassa is now ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video, subscribe, press the like buttons, thumbs up. Thank you so much, every one of you. Everyone is welcome. You guys come and join me. Let's enjoy this yassa. Kanwari gachema kawari lenkinda yassa nya soro chicken yassa, selling yassa. Ndake nya soro lenki. So thank you so much. Kanwari gachema kawari. Elala ngana kiyen khairin gabo.